Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here, and this is one of my mini looks that I'll be doing for Valentine's Day. This looks definitely screams Happy Valentine's Day and girly and glitz, and well, not glitz, but it definitely screams girly. And I won't be doing all pink or purple or glittery looks for Valentine's Day because I know not everybody wants to wear that for Valentine's Day, so I will be adding a bit of variety just in case you guys are looking for something different, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate that, as well as hitting the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So to create this look, I did use two palettes. I used the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is this, and I also used a palette by Hard Candy, and it looks like this. I picked this up at Walmart, and the color that I used is Diamond, and you guys will see how I use the color and what color it is exactly later on in the video. But I hope you guys enjoy how this look turned out, and if you want to see, then continue watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.